This device here is from Thermolyne.
This device came from a customer that he took it to another technician. He changed it. He changed the heat element wire. This one here inside this plate. And now, like every time you plug it in, the heat element start getting hot and doesn't stop. Even if you turn this old thermostat, you turn it all the way to the off, it's still getting hot. It means there is still the power going to the heat element. We check the connection here between here and here. There is no connection. Like if I push this thermostat, it works. So this metal here is a U shape. This metal here is a U shape. The heat causing the metal to expand it, and the bottom part is moved down and touch the point here. So like now we have no connection, but when it gets hot, it's make connection. That's how it's work. Thermostat is still open, but there is the power coming to the heat element. That's why this part here is get hot. So let me show you here. I'm gonna plug it. You can see the light, it's go on. Yeah. The thermostat is off, but the light is on. And yeah, it's getting hot now. It feels warm. And if we check here, is a DC. So it's 110 volt. This thermostat here is a mechanical thermostat. It's not there is a MOSFET or something that's cutting off the power. I did search for a diagram to see how the wire set up. There is nothing online for this device. So we're going to do a little schematic and to figure out, could be like the customer think this thermostat is bad. And he said he did search online and he did contact a company in California that specializes on fixing this device, and he said he's going to need to send it to the California to fix. So we're going to do a diagram and we see where is the problem, because I don't think this thermostat is a problem because it's open now. Yeah, the thermostat is open. If we turn it down a little bit, here we turn it off, it works. Why all the time there is a power coming to the heat element? That's what we need to figure out. And by looking at these wires like this, it's very hard to figure out what every wire do. So let's do a little diagram and we go from there. Okay, this motor here, it should be carrying the movement to this one here, but there is no connection. I think there is a belt. Yeah, I think there is a belt from here to here. That belt is missing. I think the customer, he said he may have it. Oh, that's the model number here is SB-A1025B. So I'm going to take a picture of the wires so we don't mix them. You can see this is just a piece of the metal. It's not something electronically. And we have this metal here. This metal here, when it gets hot, it's like expand and this is, that's the thermostat. Look like this is a magnet here. Yeah, this is a magnet. I think this is a lab device, like a mixer. They put a ball with the liquid here, then they put inside it a magnet. When this magnet start turning, it's going to turn the other magnet. And they start mixing at the same time. It's getting the liquid getting warm. So we have this motor here. Let's give it this symbol. It has two black wires, one of which one black wire, it's go to here, and from here it's go to the source of the power. So this is the black wire. Then from the motor it's go to this. This is a potentiometer here. You can see the wire in it, and by turning the thermostat is like you are controlling the length of the wire. And you know the wire, it has a little resistance, so by making the wire more longer, is causing the resistance to go more high. When we make the wire short, like from here, from this bed go to here, this is a short distance, here is a low resistance, then this part here to here. So we have a black wire from here, it's go to the motor, and it's come from the source of the power. Here is the source of the power. Black wire is go to the motor, it's go to this potentiometer. Let's go to this side of the potentiometer. Let's do it like a coil, like this. Then from this side of the potentiometer, this wire here, it's go to this lamp. And the metal of the potentiometer, this one here, it's go to the white. Let's go to the source of the power. The white here. So this is the one is moving, like this part here is moving. That's the one is going to move on the coil. So this is the source of the power here, the plug. And that's one. Yeah, in the middle. Let's go to here. Yes. Okay, so we have two screws here, so one here, and there is one here. We're going to figure out. Let me just check the picture where the wire go. This one here, I think it's go to the okay, the middle wire, it's go to the plug side. Let's go to here. Yeah, I'm thinking it's the technician who worked on this one before. Maybe he flipped some wire, and that's what is causing the device to be on all the time. So we have one lamp, we have other lamp here, two lamps. Gonna see where that's go. So from the potentiometer is go to the white lamp. So this is gonna give it W, white lamp, and the red lamp is go to here, just to this screw. You can see it here, the red lamp, let's go to this screw here. And the metal of the lamp, it's go, the connection between the two lamps here is the metal, like they are on series. Yeah, it's go to the black. So from here, it's gonna go to the black. I think, yeah, let's do it from here. To here. Alright, so here we're done. And the heat element. The heat element is connected from here to here, from this one to this one. So we can do it. So let's give it this sign. So this is the heat element. The thermostat is go from here to here. So we just give it a symbol of the switch. To the middle one. I think that's all the wires we have. Yeah, plus the ground is going now. The green one is the ground is going now. So this is what we have. So for the power, let's go to the heat element from here. Give me the marker. So for the power, it's come from the source, the black wire. It's go to here, it's go to the heat element. Then from the heat element is made from here. One is go to the red lamp. This one will give it the R. Red lamp. And the other one is go to the switch. This one here. The thermostat switch. Then from the thermostat switch, it's go back to the source. It's mean, yeah, this circuit here is open. You can see here is open, here is closed. The wire just going under the other wire. So let's go here, and if it is open, we should have no heat here. But could be the power, it's go from here. Then when it's find the switch is open, it's go from here. It's go to here. Yeah, let's go to here. Let's go to here. Let's go all the way to the motor. And let's go to here. But here we have a big resistance. If this one is on, it should be the motor should go on. Or yeah. So let's put it together. Then we start taking some wires. We're gonna cut this wire here because the power could be go from here, go to here, go follow this wire. Then go by the white lamp, and it's go here to here. Yeah, okay. Here, go to the switch element, then go to the red. Let's go from here to here. So we're gonna cut off this wire first. Then if it doesn't work, we're gonna cut off this wire. It's mean unplug them. Then if it still doesn't work, we may cut this, we may take out, I think, this wire here. That's the 3 wires could be grabbing the power from one side to another side. So yeah, let's try it. I'm gonna put it together, and we follow the schematic. Okay, let's check that if there is a so open or close here. Okay, from here is open. If we turn it, we get connection. That's good. Okay, we get it back to the same stage how it was before. The middle wire, let's go to the first. That is the wire go to the heat element. Here, this one is go to the bottom. This one is go to the top. This one here, let's go to the red side. And this one here, let's go to the middle. Yep, and yeah, this one is go to the top. Okay, so let's see if we still have the power. Okay, let's turn this one because the motor is start going. Yeah, so when I plug it, we have the power. Yeah, the heat element is on no matter what. I did hear the motor is spinning. You can hear it. So here, like when I turn the motor, you can see the lights go on. It's go off, but the heat element is always on. So we're gonna disconnect the red one, this one here, and we see. Trinity. And we go to the AC. So let's plug it and see if it's gonna. Do we have 110 volt here? If we have 110 volt, it means that's not right. 110. So we still have. We disconnect this wire. We still have the power going to the device. So next we're going to disconnect the wire that's going to the white from here. Or the one is going to the thermostat, or we can disconnect the wire let's disconnect this wire here, the one in the middle that's going to here. So the wire is disconnected. Let's plug it. Do we check? We still have 110. So we disconnect this one. we still have 110 between here and here. It means the power is come here, it's go to here, it cannot go to here because this switch is open. This cannot go to here because this one is disconnected. Cannot go here because the switch is off. How the power pass from here to here? If this one is disconnected and this one is disconnected, let me check. So maybe the frame is something touching the frame. So let me check something. Because at the moment there is nothing can make the power jump around here. Yeah, we don't have the power on the switch, do we? No, no power. Yeah, the switch is open. So, okay, so there is, from the heat element, there is a connection to here. There is a connection to here. Okay, the switch is touch connection to the ground. Or connection to the frame. So if we have the power coming to this wire here, this is the source of the power, the black one. The black one is come here. You can see just go to here, go to the wire, go inside the wire, go to here, and go to here. This one is touching to the ground, because if this is touching the ground, yeah, this is the first time I'm working on this device. Okay, let's plug it. Yeah, the light is off. That's good, it's not like before. So I'm gonna turn the switch. Yep, it turns on. You see the light? The light, it turns on. Yeah, I can see the wire is here, it's go off. So now it can turn off and turn on. We have the light is off. So let's turn it. You can see the light now is on. Here the light is off. Here the light is on. You can hear the motor spinning. So one side of here is touching the metal case, or could be the heat element when they repair the heat element, could be is touching this side of the heat element, or this side of the heat element is touching the metal, touching the metal here. And this switch is connected to the ground, to the metal as well. So like we are making a short from here to here, and that's why we have the connection for the heat element all the time. By flipping it, the part that's connected to the ground is connected to here now, and no more connected to the ground, because this part here is not connected to the metal, but this part here, yeah, is connected to that metal with the screw. So that's what it's the problem is. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you again.